Hello, this is the Tradesight U.S. Stocks and Futures Market Preview for Tuesday, the 27th of July, 2021. Hope you had a great trading day. It wasn't much here, so we'll just look at what we've got here. Here's the ES front month futures contract. This is the daily chart of the broad market in futures form. Went up a little bit, again, a couple points. Was pretty much a dead day, so there's not much to look at. Let's look at the major indices. So crude oil up 29 cents to 72.20. That's fine. Gold down $1.80. So there's nothing there either. The S&P cash gained $10.51. New closing high on the broad market, which does not affect us. Nasdaq 100 down or up 14 points. Okay, the SOX down 3.14. Still under the risk line in that 13 sell signal. Biotech's down 104.21. It's a big drop in the biotechs, and they're nowhere near highs as they haven't been for a while. Russell 2000 up 7.27. That doesn't do anything for us. The VIX gained 38 cents at 17.58, but it was higher much during the day. Trend closes at 0.91. Puts the 10-day at 1.17. That's not a signal for us. Nasdaq volume 4.4 billion shares. Again, that's better than what we've seen, but it's not. It's amazing that's better than the options expiration last Friday, but it's still nothing. Advanced decline ratio on the Nasdaq negative 478, so more stocks down than up. On the New York plus 404, 408. Sorry, my bad. Google gains 20.4. New closing highs on Google. Apple up 43 cents. Looks like a high range base breakout, and we'll see what that leads to, but it doesn't look good for the bears. Netflix up 1.08, but that's way off the highs. We're in the lower half of the range of the last 8 months. Amazon up 43.18, again looking higher. Tesla up 14.24 is what it is. Facebook up 2.67. So Facebook, Google, and Amazon look positive, if nothing else does. Zoom up 13.91 is what it is. Goldman Sachs up $1.85. TLT, the 20-year bond ETF, down 44 cents. The Dow Jones Industrial Average was up 82. Nobody cares. The Bitcoin down to 37,240, but it popped up. Look at that 13 buy signal on Bitcoin. It was so on the money. Like, again, these signals are amazing. Let's look at the intraday action. I don't want to get wrapped up in sorry, anything else. Sorry, my bad. So here's where we're at. It was a very boring day though. Market opened down tiny, filled the gap immediately, dead flat. We were still flat in lunch. Tried to drift up a couple points, and then it was still dead flat. So it's not really a big trading day. Nasdaq 100. Oh my gosh, look at this. Gap down, fills the gap, and there's nothing. Like, just dead flat. So this is a bad start. But again, let's focus on the fact that we've got the Fed announcement this week. It's a 2-day meeting, so we won't see anything until Wednesday. And then on top of that, it's end of month statement sprint on Friday. That could be a problem for whatever we do Friday, obviously. So I'm hoping for action on Tuesday and Thursday where there's no actual economic data and statement sprinting. We'll see what we get. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple weeks. Have a great trading Tuesday.